Welcome to my channel. Let's learn with MG.
The Loaves. Miss Martha Meacham kept the little bakery on the corner, the one where you go up 3 steps, and the bell tinkles when you open the door. Miss Martha was 40, single, and possessed a sympathetic heart. 2 or 3 times a week, a customer came in. He was a middle-aged man, wearing spectacles and a brown beard trimmed to a careful point. He spoke English with a strong German accent. His clothes were worn and darned in places, but he looked neat and had very good manners. He always bought 2 loaves of stale bread. Fresh bread was 5 cents a loaf. Stale ones were 2 for 5. Never did he call for anything but stale bread. Once, Miss Martha saw a red and brown stain on his fingers. She was sure then that he was an artist and very poor. Often Miss Martha wished that the gentle-mannered artist might share her tasty meal instead of eating dry bread in his drafty attic. The man kept on buying stale bread, never a cake, never a pie, never one of her delicious Sally Lunns. She thought he began to look thinner and discouraged. Her heart ached to add something good to eat to his meager purchase, but her courage failed at the act. She knew the pride of artists. One day the customer came in as usual, laid his nickel on the showcase, and called for his stale loaves. While Martha was reaching for them, there was a great tooting and clanging, and a fire engine came lumbering past. The customer hurried towards the door. Miss Martha seized the opportunity. On the bottom shelf behind the counter was a pound of fresh butter that the dairyman had left 10 minutes before. With a bread knife, Miss Martha made a deep slash in each of the stale loaves, inserted a generous quantity of butter, and pressed the loaves tight again. When the customer turned once more, she was tying the paper around them. When he had gone for a long time that day, she imagined the scene when he should discover her little deception. He would lay down his brushes and palette. There would stand his easel with the picture he was painting. He would prepare for his luncheon of dry bread and water. He would slice into a loaf. Suddenly, the front doorbell jangled viciously. Somebody was coming in, making a great deal of noise. Miss Martha hurried to the front. 2 men were there. One was a young man, a man she had never seen before. The other was the artist. His face was very red, his hat was on the back of his head, and his hair was wildly rumpled. He clenched his 2 fists and shook them ferociously at Miss Martha. "Dummkopf!" he shouted with extreme loudness or something like it in German. The young man tried to draw him away. "I will not go," he said angrily, "else I shall told her." He made a bass drum of Miss Martha's counter. "You have spoilt me," he cried, his blue eyes blazing behind his spectacles. "I will tell you. You was von medding some old woman." Miss Martha leaned weakly against the shelves. The young man took the other by the collar. "Come on," he said. "You've said enough." He dragged the angry one out of the door to the sidewalk and then came back. "Guess you ought to be told, ma'am," he said, "what the row is about. That's Blumberger. He's an architectural draftsman. I work in the same office with him. He's been working hard for 3 months, drawing a plan for a new city hall. It was a prize competition. He finished inking the lines yesterday. You know, a draftsman always makes his drawing in pencil first. When it's done, he rubs out the pencil lines with handfuls of stale breadcrumbs. That's better than India rubber."
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Let's Learn with MG. Thank you for watching!